traders, how is it going, guys? Today this is Henry here. Welcome to today's video. Today we are going to trade with a strategy that can make you money with little amount. You're starting with little amount, not such little, okay? At least it is still considered a little amount when trading is concerned, okay? And it will all based on the minimum investment amount allowed by your broker. For here right now, I cannot trade with one. You can see cannot open trade, okay? So the minimum start from 2. All right, if I open trade here, it's going to show 2, okay, but 1 is not accepted. All right, so let's go in and I'm going to show you the strategy that I'm talking about. And if you don't have account here, you can open account. It's free to open account, okay? It's just when you are in, I'm signing in right now, it's just when you're in that you have to choose your subscription, okay? So let's move up and I'm going to show you what I'm saying. All right, once you log in, if you don't have account, you'll be on this page. It is called resources page. All right, and here you can see our products, okay? So here you can sign to use the AI binary option AI signals, which is part of automated signals also, as well. You can simply have is it binary option basic, okay? You can simply have this $15 monthly subscription. The AI signals, because we pay for the 11 labs and every other AI that we have that works with the platform, so it is limited to 20 AI signals per day, okay? And while here is unlimited, so here is unlimited, so here is limited to 20 AI signals, but here you can still automate your you choose one broker, you can still automate your MT4 indicators on it, okay? And you still have quantum AI on it, unlimited. All right, so once you get your subscription plan, you start trading here, okay? Once you click on start trading, you are going to start trading. Now it's going to take you to the dashboard, okay? If you just want our money management system, which is here, you can just sign up, subscribe for the money management system. It will give you all this dashboard for money management system. Now let me go down to show you. This is the Rapid Strike tool, is the money management system I'm talking about. Because can you see here, $100 amount and 2% payout, and you start trading with $1.43. So if you can start with trading with $1.43, the minimum trading amount on most brokers is $1, okay? $1. While on the reef, you can start with even that's 0.35 cent, okay? So if we check for $1 broker, that means we can trade with 75. Let me check 74, 73, 70. Exactly. That means we can trade with 70. Start trading with $70, guys. Take a look at this. You start trading with $70, and for you to lose all your money, you have to lose all these sequences, okay? You have to lose all these sequences, okay? Which is a little bit difficult, but nothing is impossible. Everything is possible, okay? So I'm just showing you this, and for me, because mine is $2, let's call it like that. So I need at least 140. Let me check here, 140. Can you see that? Start with 2, okay? That's exactly how it works. So there is no trade here below $2, okay? Can you see that? So that's the small amount I can trade with. Now, let me try to put this, because the sound seems not coming. If it's not coming, we are going to fix it. Let me put it here. So today I'll be trading on the 30 seconds expiry. Let me choose OpenAI. Let me see. Let me put here, and let's start to see if the voice is coming, because to trade this you need only the voice so that you can focus your eyes on this. And I'm going to trade based let's say I'm going to trade for I'm going to trade for with this amount, okay? So let's see how it goes. So this trade is just to recover what I lost earlier as I was talking. If I don't recover it, no problem, I'll keep trading. Okay, I think we have signal here. It's a buy signal, so we trade with 2 to buy for 30 seconds, okay? So the voice is not coming. All right, oh my goodness, this, okay, I think it's correct. Yeah, so I recovered what I lost earlier. So this is our trade going on now. For 30 seconds we had a buy trade. I'm not going to rush it, so we're just going to pay attention. If we lose, I'm going to go in with this, okay? So let me close this so that you can, okay, so we want that trade. Also put this down and this. So we are waiting for a new signal. Now I'm not going to rush it. Like I said, our next trade it will calculate it here for you. So the next trade is 3.84. 3.84. Can you see that? 3.84. It does the calculation for you based on your payout. Now let's wait for the next trade. Okay, so I'm going to wait. The voice is not coming, and we are going to fix it soon. But you can trade like this. Most platform doesn't have voice, okay? But I implemented the voice. I think we had another buy signal here. So, and whenever this guy comes, if you have been watching my videos, when it shows 90% of the time you're going to win. So let's wait for a new signal, and we're going to trade this. And if we lose, we're still going to trade. Come on, guys, come on. We're still going to trade with 2.81. Okay, so I'm going to keep it ready to 81 here. All right. So as we wait for signal, so this is for those who doesn't have a big amount, and it is very very profit. Okay, buy, have buy. I see it pop up. Okay, so let's see. So it has been buying since then. Okay, just that because with voice you can hear it, but I thought I was not able to see it. But with voice it is audible for you to hear. Okay, so we made a buy trade here. Let's see how it goes. So it lost at the 9 minutes. So we buy again here. Okay, we are buying again here with this. So I'm going to come here and put loss. Okay, so it shows you that you're trading with this. All right. And if we win this, we're going to trade with this. All right. So that's how it works. So I'm not going to look at the signal. I'm going to wait for the trade to finalize. So no rushing. Okay. So you can know exactly. We have another signal there. That's why what you see. So we lost this. I'm going to come here and put this. Now we are going to trade this 393. And here I'm going to type in on the entry for 550. Okay. Now we are going to wait for a new signal. So I'm going to go up, wait for a new signal. But signal has been going up. Okay, we have a sell signal here, 393. Okay, so we have a sell signal here. Let's see how it goes, and have this as a backup. All right. So we want that we have a buy signal, but we're not going to take it because we have to calculate the next trade amount, which is 755. Okay, 7.55. Since the trade is still down, I'm going to buy it. Since it did not move up, I'm going to buy it, and we have this as a backup. Okay. But if it is a buy signal and the trade have already moved up, don't go in place. We still have this as a backup trade. Okay. And here we go. We want that. So once we want that, okay. So I have to compute this as okay. We won the first one, so we won the second one. So 2 wins in a row. 1, 2. Now you can see the profit we have made. Okay. So it shows you the profit. Oh no, sorry guys. Sorry. We were 50. Let me see. I think I have to add it so that you can be able to see your profit actually. So we don't have the updating profit on this account. We started okay, here we go. Sorry guys, here we go. This was profit. So now we are going back to 2, and I think we had a signal there. Let me see if it had not gone above. It's a buy, so I'm going to buy. This signal started here. So the backup for that 2 is 281. So I'm going to put it immediately 281. Okay, so here we go. Let's watch it. Signal started earlier. We are a little bit late. Hope it wins. So it's a buy signal. You can see, and okay, and that was a winning trade. So we come here and mark it as win. So actually, we are making the balance is updating, correct? So if we want that, it shows you we have to trade 384, 3.84. Now you still keep this as a backup, okay? Which is here, entry 2. So it's telling us to sell. Come on, sell. 84. 32. Okay, you can see the 232 here. You can see it here. So we are into the trade at the right time. So no panicking. Okay. So remember, this still stays as our backup. Okay. So let's see how it goes. And here we go, guys. Another win. So we have a buy here, but we are not going to rush because we have to compute this. Okay, we want that. So it moved back to the 2. Okay. See, our balance has increased. We started with this as our stop value, so we lose this. It's our stop loss for the day. Okay. Now, if I have this kind of, if I have this amount and risking only this, guy, I can do this the whole day. I have already made 10. Let's call it $11. Okay. Which, if you take this $11 to $2,000 account, that is half a cent. Risking this. Okay. But at the same time, if you don't have enough amount, you have this or even $70. I think we have already made almost 10%. We need $14, remaining $3 to complete 10%. So I'm going to try to make to be $14 is going to give us 154. So when we reach 54, we are going to see that we made 10% profit. Okay, in very very short time. Now let's keep moving. I'm going to put 2 here. Okay, here is already 281. We have signal now. Where is it going? Sell. Okay. See the time 34. Can you see that? 12:34, 12:34, 12:34. Okay, so we're a little bit late, supposed to be here. Okay, but it is what it is. Let's keep going. So this stays as the backup. Okay, so this should have been a very entry. If I'm not making video, and the voice is working, I will know what I'm doing. Now we have this buy signal, but we have to wait for this to finalize. So we're going to wait for another signal. So we come back down here, and we're going to put win. All right, win rate is 75%, and we still the next trade. If we win it, it's going to cover. It's going to reach our take profit, which is $154 total account balance. So what we're doing here is we're going to add 384. And here we keep this as the backup. Okay, we could have lost that in the first trade and win in Martingale. Not actually Martingale we are using here. Okay, 355. Okay, the trade is okay. Still down, so we are going up. So it's still down. The market is still down, so we are going up for the call, and this as backup, right? So let's see how it goes. So it's 35. So we still even have a new buy signal here. 12:35, can you see that? 31, 12:35, you see that? So still valid, okay? So we want that. If you come here and put in win, we have made over 10% profit in just short time. So these tools here is very, very powerful, okay? If with our AI signals, you get signals like no stress signals, okay? Signals keep popping in, and you'll be able to make money. So this is another buy, and it's going up. Okay, guys, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you, if you don't have money, that is how you trade with this money management system. It is for both. It's for both people that doesn't have big amount and for those people that has big amount. Because if you have big amount, you can just keep risking less while you make a lot of profit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not on our Telegram channel, please join us on our Telegram channel. Here there are some things we post that we don't post on YouTube, because not every time I have time to make videos for YouTube. But I'm going to try my best to making videos on YouTube. I'm not a content creator. That's why I don't see video. I'm not making money with video, though my channel is ready for monetization, but I focus more on trading. Maybe I'm going to look into that. But who knows me, since I've been trading, I'm not monetizing. You can see ads on my video, but I'm not making any money from that because I did not activate any monetization thing. Okay, so I'm not a content creator. Those guys that have sweet tongues that talks to you on YouTube, show you talk. I'm not going to go into deep there, but I'm not a content creator. Maybe I'm going to monetize my YouTube, since I have to be updating you guys, making more videos, because we have a lot of things here to show. Okay, we have not even touched anything, not even 10%. So through YouTube videos is what I can be able to showcase everything. So, but I do this for me and for those who have been following me for long. I have clients and students that have been with me for the past 6 years. Trust me, okay? Is what I'm saying, I'm telling you is real, and those are making money. Okay, some, not all of them. Okay, because is you see something in when I say for the past 6 years, for the past 6 years, we might not have. I don't have this my own automation system. Okay, currently we have manual system. We don't have this system for the past 6 years, so we are improving every day. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is another tool that you can use to make money. Okay, you can make 10% very easily. One thing I want to also always tell you is that don't keep trading. Okay, now we have another tool which many of you knows how it works. So let me put that $140, though I don't recommend you keeping a lot of money in binary option broker. In forex you can keep a lot of money, but for binary option I don't recommend that. Now let me show you this tool that many of you might be ignoring. Okay, let's here see the smart compound system. If I put here 140, which I started to make 10% in a day. Okay, let's simulate 90 days. Okay, which is 3 months, but actually which is 3 months. Okay, simulate 90 days, and let's go down here. Daily target is 10. Okay, so you can use this tool as it's very, very powerful. Okay, take a look after 90 days. After 90 days, this is huge, guys. Okay, of course you're not going to use this. Let me see if everything is correct here, because this is huge. Only 10% daily target. You see that 10% you think that is nothing. Okay, you want to make 100% in a day. Please change your mindset. Okay, take a look at this. Only 10% in 3 months. The first day we just made 154, as you can see it there. And the first day it was so easy. We made it in less than 20 minutes. And you might think you have to continue. You don't have to continue, bro. Trust me, you don't have to continue. Come back the next day. I know that your hand will be. You will be feeling to come back. Okay, but trust me, you don't need to do that. And you don't need to reach here. Okay, let's check for 30 days. 45 days is always my maximum target. Okay, see that 10,000. Okay, in 45 days, less than 2 months. In 45 days. Okay, let's say that you want to go for 2 months. Don't go more than 2 months. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. Okay, take a look at this. $40,000 in 2 months. So this is a big tool that I recommend you guys to use. to be able to follow up with your trading computing. Okay, so I have put out many strategies that I'm targeting for center account, for normal account. I want to risk small to make more. It's all you can do it. You can save it. Like this one I just computed here. You can come here and give it a name. X Nova Pocket Candle Video. Okay, so it's here. It's here, and you can just save it. Okay, now what happens when you save it? You can see it here. Is it okay? So okay, you can scroll down. I scroll down here, click on it. Now it's going to give me this. So once we finalize this the first day, I'm going to click here. So it's going to save it. Okay, so it's going to compute it. Now the next day, you need that your target should be only 15. Okay, once you make $15, $15.40, you come here and click it. Okay, and so on. All right, you can also reset it if you make mistake and continue to go. All right, so this video has been too long. I'm going to put a fast forward on it so that you don't waste your time watching it. But this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, join us on Telegram, and give thumbs up to our videos, because this helps others to understand what we are doing, and also to share it to help others in trading. All right, see you for the next one. And this also helps YouTube to send you video notification whenever we post video. It tells YouTube that you are interested in watching our video. With your likes, it also tells the YouTube that you want to keep watching. Okay, so I know many people are happy with what they have, what I'm offering, but they don't usually give likes. That's not correct. It's important to give likes, and so that YouTube should understand that you like what you're doing, what we're doing. All right, see you for the next one. Bye for now.